Hey, privacy-conscious viewers! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of data brokers and the privacy exposure we face online. But fear not. We have a solution for you. Let's take a look at Kanary, a service that seeks out your profile on data broker sites and automates the opt-out process. Kanary has come a long way since our last review. It's growing and evolving, and we're excited to see how it stacks up against other data broker opt-out services like Optory and PrivacyBee. To get started with Kanary, you can try the free edition, which doesn't require you to supply a credit card. It tracks your name, addresses, username, email, and phone number. The free version offers 3 automated removals and a 14-day trial of the paid individual tier. Signing up is a breeze. Just enter your email and password. Make sure to use a strong, unique password for added security. Next, enter basic information like your name, city, state, and age group. Start the scan and wait for the results. You'll need to verify your email before viewing the scan findings. Kanary efficiently checks Google results first, adding non-broker sites to the ignored list automatically. It lists 327 data brokers and privacy-damaging sites, automating the opt-out process for about 260 of them. Kanary openly shows a full listing of all tracked sites and provides details on what actions it takes for each site. It may send requests on your behalf or provide templates and guides for you to take action. For added security, consider enabling multi-factor authentication for your Kanary account. Upgrading to a full premium membership removes limitations and allows for unlimited automatic removals. In conclusion, Kanary is an easy-to-use service that efficiently handles the task of removing your personal information from data broker websites. Its clear and informative broker list sets it apart from others, and it automates removal for a significant number of sites. While it costs less than most competitors, with unique verification features. PrivacyBee is another strong option with an extensive list of brokers and extra features. That wraps up our review of Kanary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more privacy and tech-related reviews. Until next time, keep your data secure and stay tuned for more product insights. This is Product Critique, signing off. See you in the next video. Stay safe and protected out there.